About how to um, paste as values, a very important thing to be able to do. Today, for example, we're going to try to look at, we're going to have size of cat, size of prey, and the cat and the mouse together. What will a cat weigh after it eats the mouse? So we're going to take these two and add them together, and that's the sum of those two guys there. And then we're going to go like that, and then I can drag this down, and it's all done for that entire group of data. Now, but what I want to start doing now is manipulating this data. And let's say that I want to sort that from smallest to largest. If you try to sort it from smallest to largest right now, what will happen is I can expand the selection, sort, but what happens is the math will change, right? So now, it's still in these locations, I'm summing whatever it is to the left, so the numbers themselves will not actually change. Oh, that's terrible. So what I need to do is get rid of the formulas that made these values and just keep the values that were the result of the formula. So I'm going to select the whole column here by selecting the big D, and then I'm going to go to a Control C. I'm going to copy that. I could use a right click here so you can see what I'm doing. I'm going to copy it, and then I'm going to paste it right back into the very first cell at the top, and I'm going to hit Control or right click if you want. I'm going to hit Paste Special. Now there's all kinds of ways of doing this, but essentially the simplest one here is to paste as values, and that means we won't have any formulas left. Goodbye, formulas. So now these are just regular numbers, and if I want to sort them, I can just hit A to Z, and I cannot keep the data next to me, and boom, they will be kept. I like it. That's how you paste as values.